For this video, we are introducing about how to set decimal places in Microsoft Excel. Excel has many built-in formats that you can use: currency, account, date, time, percentage. If you cannot find a right format, you can create a custom number format. How we can set decimal places? You can also control the number of decimal places. Use 0 to display the nearest integer value. Use 0.0 for one decimal place. Use 0.00 for two decimal places, etc. Select a cell. Type a decimal number. Then right click, format cell, custom, select a form. Then you can see a live preview. Then click OK. Your number. We only changed the appearance of this number, not the number itself. You can see the real number here. Okay. When we type another number, click, you can see number has changed. The appearance only, the real number we can see in the formula bar. Okay. We introduced it through this video how we can set decimal places in Microsoft Excel through format setting. Okay. If you are first time, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you very much.